And I blocked him on everything, but he didn't try reaching out to me via carrier pigeon, which is just so upsetting. That's literally the bare minimum. Do better. Number 4, you guessed it, Madison Beer again. He's breathing the same air as Madison Beer every day. That's basically cheating on me. I think if he really loved me, he would hold his breath indefinitely. Number 5, he got upset with me, which is just so ridiculous. Like, there's no need to be so problematic all the time.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No! I double typed the wrong letter. I was trying to type llama, and I typed KK instead of LL because I'm stupid. Nice. What the fuck, dude? I literally can't even spell llama correctly, and this guy is typing shit. I feel like if I say it out loud, my furniture is gonna start fucking floating. What is that? Dimmy simmy himmy dimmy simmy quavers? Some fucking bullshit. I think I'm gonna go to a new room.
Shit pissed me off for real. Why do you act like that?
Like what?
The way that you act, you don't see how you act, why people don't want to be around you?
No.
Look how you act.
All right, so you guys all use the restroom, right? Okay, good, because we got a long drive ahead. What? What are you doing? No, put that away. I know how to get there. I've been driving for over 45 years now. I know every back road there is. So you pulling out Google Maps is very disrespectful to me. Do you see what I'm saying here? Okay, good. I got it. Don't worry about it. If you don't put that phone away, I'm gonna...
I might just hit it through a horse, that's on my element. I like dark skin, love a melanin. Talk, pushing me to talk when I'm stepping in. 30 bottles of the food till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo, switch to the bro.
Don't you feel silly? Don't you feel stupid? Don't you feel a little ashamed?
S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hoppin' in the Benz. Young turn nigga from the D to the A, I'm rockin' with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rockin' with the Braves. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
I'm not about to play, yeah. Young niggas tryna stack up his cake, yeah. That's my kinda day, yeah. I tried to I would lose her.
How'd that get in there?
Ooh, I love your shirt. Where'd you get that from? Oh, it was actually thrifted. Oh my god, that necklace too. That's like everything. Yeah, my grandmother made it for me on her hospital bed before she passed away. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I love your hair too. Thank you so much. My friend does it. Oh my god, that's so cool. Can I get her contact? Oh, I would love to. Cool, thanks. Except her salon actually blew up yesterday. Oh, where are your pants from?